to be mindful of the scope of the name that you're thinking of. I'm recording this in Austin, Texas, and I frequently see this truck driving around town called, it says on the side of the truck, it says, Houston Avocado. We're not just avocados. And I'm thinking to myself, you're not even in Houston either. Like, Houston Avocado was the opposite, has nothing to do, evidently, with what you are. So you don't want kind of that sort of situation. Although, candidly, there are a lot of companies whose names, because they're disguised by initials, are things they no longer do. 3M is Minnesota Manufacturing and Mining. AT&T is American Telephone and Telegraph. NCR is National Cash Register, and so forth. So, but all things being simple, you want to pick a name that is short and easy to remember, distinctive, and something that people can spell, that encapsulates what it is you're trying to do.